What's happening, people? Looks like we are live now. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What's happening? You are watching. My name is Shrey, guys. You are watching Shrey TV, baby. Scared? Panic? No, don't do that. We are just following the path, okay? We will go through Bitcoin analysis, right? How far this dump is going to last? Where are we going from here? Okay, if you see my previous video, I have warned about this. It's nothing new, right? We were expecting this. Whosoever have been watching this, they know exactly what's happening. Okay, so we'll get a small relief rally. We'll go back from here, go back to touch this arc here, right? Let's expand this chart. Okay, we are here, right? So we'll go back to somewhere around 45, back again, hit this resistance, and fall back. So September 26th, you know, tomorrow should be a green day. Tomorrow we'll get a green day. We go, something like this will happen. We go touch here, and then a last crash. Touch here, and then boom. Maybe 37, not 35, you know, but then we waste time here, and then boom, to 50, or come back to this resistance here. So that's how Bitcoin's looking. Jay, what's happening, brother? Hey, can you do BCH next? Good looking, man. Yeah, brother, I'll do BCH. Trust me, I have a huge bag of BCH. I'm keeping an eye on it like a cheetah, okay? So do not worry. You guys can go to bed and sleep, because I stay awake all night charting this, you know, figuring it out, right? Guys, anything you watch here and see here is not a financial advice. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So do your own research, please, like I am doing, right? You can follow and learn, right, how I do my charts and why I think what's going to happen. You know, I could be totally wrong, right? I'm just human. I have to say that. Okay, but this is what my hunch is. This is what I'm expecting. We go back, touch 44, 45 by 26th of September, right? And then come back to 37, 30, 38, 39. Then try to touch back to 41 and then get rejected and fall back to 35. Yeah, 37 to 35. Yep. And the bigger picture, okay? Let's look at this chart. Where is it going? Dharmesh Mukaria, hello. It's early morning, brother. Gee, where you from, brother? I know Dharmesh, he's from India, right? I want to know you guys, you know, just don't... Guys, there are 7 of you here. Make sure this channel gets going, right? So push that like button, right? If you haven't subscribed, it's mean, man. You know, make sure, you know, I work hard here. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell. Okay, let's, moving forward, what's going to happen? Yeah, 58 by, yeah. I expect by mid of November. It could be a lot earlier than this, but we will hit this trend line here, up here. You see this? I expect we'll go back to try to touch this again. A lot of people are saying, oh, Bitcoin is doomed, is going down. Not now, not now, not yet. Mid of October, we may try to hit this, and then waste time here. And then it's very important what happens here, right? Do we go down? We go up, right? But I expect Bitcoin, some major news, something really bad, some sort of bad news comes around here. I believe everything is planned. Okay, everything is planned. It just doesn't happen like that. So the technicals, when they say there's something big coming up, so it's usually associated with some sort of news. Okay, so there will be some sort of news and some sort of FUD, and we go down, baby, from here, boom, like that, right? This is $21,000, and there could be a small, the wick, all the exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, everything will shut down when this happens. So if you have buy orders, set up your buy orders, it may hit to $15,000. It can go down like that. Yeah, I know it just sounds crazy, guys, but I expect something really bad, and just within like a week or 2 weeks, we'll drop about 66-70%. So this is 65% drop to 20,000. I believe up to 66. This is where it'll stay here for like few days. Between $20,000 to $24,000. It'll stay here. But that long wick will just stay for a few seconds, or maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But there'll be a long wick that'll go, because the charts have to do that, right? It'll come test this resistance line right here. You see this? Yeah, it'll come back to test it. So it'll touch here, and then we go up from there to $95,000. Bitcoin, people will think, oh, Bitcoin is dead. Bitcoin is dead, baby. No. Shrebai, can you please do analysis on AMP? Bunk him. Hi. Bank him. If this is how they will pronounce your name, Bunk him, here in the United States, bank him. I'll be like, what's your name? My name is Bank. Bank him. One of my friends, his name is Hardik. Hardik. So he's in India. He's my childhood buddy. I was like, dude, that's an awesome name. If I go to a club, I'll be like, hey, my name is Dick. Hardik. Okay. So from here, I expect we crawl. It'll come up like this week. Let me go back. Alright, so this is just a wick. So we start crawling back from here. I should put this arc not here, somewhere else. This arc will be here. Alright, because this wick don't matter. Right, I think we will stay around. This is the area, $20,000. Right, we'll stay, because this is the arc we'll follow. And then from there, we waste time here, crawl up and down, try to hit this 41, and get rejected, back again, down, and then go creep up, waste time, and then back again, rejected, and then by March we hit $95,000 to $100,000. Why? That's specific, because of this particular resistance line here, and this big resistance line that goes from here to here. They both meet at the same spot. You see that? So we meet here, and then we, it'll be cup and handle. This will be, so we form another handle, we go down and we come back up again, and then we go back on this mother arc, and then go back to 150, probably a little more, right? That's how I expect. So there'll be 2 tops, right? 100,000 tops, 95, 95, and we go back, and then we continue, right? But this is, when is it happening and how? This is the bigger picture. Can you see it properly, guys? Hold on. This is daily. Let me put out a weekly so you're able to get a better picture. And we will look at the alts. What's going to happen to alts? Meanwhile, this is going on, right? What happens to alts? So, yeah. I believe, when this rally happens, alts have still room to go up, and we'll get that small alt season, like get the hopes high. Everyone will start thinking, okay, Bitcoin is here at 58. We are going up from here to 100,000, right? And it's possible. I could be totally wrong, and we go hit $100,000 here, right? I could be wrong, right? But I believe we will extend. Okay, so let's look at the altcoin market cap. Where is the altcoin? Yeah, right here. Okay, why do I believe we still have room? So we are here. Let's expand this. So we kind of did almost like, you can call it a double top, right? And then we started coming down. If we break this arc, then I am not sure, right? But the arc is still intact, guys, right? Look at this. The arc is still intact. So I'm expecting this, right? We'll get a relief rally tomorrow. Once we get a relief rally, what's going to happen? There will be a bounce back. We bounce back from here, somewhere here, and then when Bitcoin crashes again, then we go back down again, and then the rally starts to about $2 trillion, right? From here, I believe we go down, baby. And how far are we gonna go, right? So, guys, I'm very, very optimistic, very bullish for altcoins and Bitcoin. Once this is over, this is going to be huge. The biggest alt season will come in 2022. Not just alt season, Bitcoin will go up to $150,000 to $200,000. So everyone will think this is over, but it's not over. Okay. Yeah. Bunkim. Yes, you are correct. I am from Canada. And some people don't pronounce my name properly, so I tell them bank, bank him. Yeah, man. Mr. DJ Meath, how are you, brother? What's happening? J, BCH. Suthar, why you delete that? I saw it. Bunking. What about Matic? Brother, everything, the most important thing, instead of keeping a track of individual cryptos, you need to keep a track of altcoin market cap. You don't need to keep track of individual crypto. Just keep a track of altcoin market cap. This is the total of all the altcoins. Total market capital of all the altcoins is right here. So whatever happens here is going to happen to your altcoin, right? So yeah, let's look at this. So that's what I'm expecting to altcoin. And then we go down. This is the major resistance line, right? Let me show you why. I'm not sure if I've gone in previous videos. Guys who are new here, my name is Shrey. I go live every single day. Every single day. 7 days a week. Live, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Okay. This is a long-term resistance line, right, for altcoins. We have always stayed on this line. Sometimes, you know, drops like this is to fuck with you, right? See, it drop like this is to fuck with you. So we'll get something like that here later. Damn it. My weekly goes away. Shit. I could be wrong on this exact, you know, it could be, yeah, March or April, right? The art, we'll know as soon as we hit here, how far we go, how far the altcoin goes. It depends on that, right? So, you know, give 15, 20 days room. And we will drop, the altcoin market cap will drop. It'll go up to 2.4 trillion. About 2 trillion. Let's be conservative. It'll go to $2 trillion by mid of October, and then we'll get a nasty drop. Some really bad news will come up, and we get this huge drop, like straight line, like that. That comes here, right? And then we bounce back a little bit. Come up, and then we will stay on this line and go back here. We may go a little lower from this line here, and we'll start creeping up back again. But there will be another arc that forms here, right? That'll take us to the top. There will be one big bad boy, biggest alt season of all time, that starts somewhere around here, where the market cap would be somewhere between 8 to 10 trillion dollars. Right here.
What you're saying to someone is, here, here's a little world, experience it for a while, see what it's like.
Okay, so you got the gist of it, right? Radek, you are 100% right, Shrebai. Brother, I cannot be 100% right. I see OMG pumped. Okay. What about Matic? Yeah, sure. Cricket sound. Okay. So then we drop from wherever we are here to 80-90%. Right. Come back, touch this resistance line here. Let's be conservative, man. But the charts are, this is what the chart's telling me, man. We'll have it'll be this is like 20 trillion. You know, I don't like to be overly optimistic, but the charts are telling me, man, we might hit. You know, I was being very conservative that the altcoin market cap will be between, when on the top, it will be somewhere around $7 to $8 trillion. But the charts, you know, are telling me between 18 to 20, maybe possibly $40 trillion. And I believe that could be because of ETF. I believe regulations will come in and it'll come in favor of Bitcoin. Whenever this bad news comes here, that will be to panic the market, right? I don't know what kind of bad news that will be, but it'll be really bad. So just in a day, we'll drop like boom down. In November, I think mid of October to November. That's what I believe will happen. Something really bad. And yeah, the charts are very clear. We are not going up, guys. More than $2 trillion, not happening for altcoins right now. And then, you know, just because we all have been on this so long. Imagine people who have bought here and they have been waiting for so long. Like, you know, for them, it's been the longest wait of their lifetime. People who bought in this area, right? They're barely, you know, they are waiting for this alt season. I bought here, man. I bought in this area, right here. Right. So I am like really, you know, I'm set right now. But, you know, what's coming is going to be mind-boggling. Yeah, it's going to be huge. Okay, so let me take your request. This is the altcoin analysis. This is the altcoin market cap, guys. Okay, I found one more thing, guys. If you're looking at these videos and you don't understand what I'm saying, if you're living in a different country, right? If you're living in a different country and don't understand what I'm saying, you can go on YouTube. You can go on YouTube. Look up any Straight TV video. Look any of my videos. Like let's see this one, right? And click on caption. You click on caption, you will get English, right? See, you're getting English, but when you click on subtitles, it'll give you an option for auto translate. You click on that, and here comes all the languages, right? You can have Chinese, you can have Spanish, you can have there is Gujarati, right? And there is Hindi for Indian people, and there's Spanish. Every language. Let's give you an example. If you hit this, right? If you hit here, it turns into this language, right? So it's pretty convenient if you don't understand the language. So, but you can still go over the video. I just wanted to go through this because a lot of people have been asking me that put translation. So this is how you translate. It's easier, right? Very easy. So whatever language you are, wherever you're on this planet, guys, you know, you can still learn, right? YouTube gives you the ability to do that, right? Let's go back. Let's go back to Bitcoin Cash. What's happening to my baby? Okay. BCH Drake. Okay. All right. So BCH. So this is the new chart that I have done for BCH, and I believe if we go according to this chart, we could hit, I think BCH max would max out somewhere around $2,000 to $2,200 in this run, in this up leg that we get in October. BCH could push, you know, there could be a small candle, we can push, you know, to 24, 25. But I would stay conservative between, you know, $2,000 is pushing it, $2,200. All right, yeah. See this arc, where it goes. $10,000, but not now. Not now. It'll come, guys. It'll come. Let's let me delete the whole thing so you're able to get a better picture. Right. This is your BCH. Right. See, this is aligning everywhere here, and I'll show you why I believe that. So yeah, that's what I think. There's a possibility of this scenario playing out, right? If the market decides to go down, we can follow this a little arc. Yeah, $2,000 is pushing it for BCH. Yeah, $15,000 to $2,000, guys. If that at all happens, we could just go do this. Depending on, we have to look at Bitcoin. What happens to Bitcoin, right? We could still go down here and then go up here and then hit this, right? $1,000, then hit back again here, and then we start our journey to that $10,000 mark. Right here. It's possible, you know. But what I believe is going to happen is we go up from here, we keep this arc, because tomorrow we are going to pump, right? We'll dump. Yeah, because I believe tomorrow we'll get that small pump. Then dump, pump, dump, and then another pump. And then we get that big down leg, you know, for a few months. Okay, it looks very, yeah, these drawings. But that's what I expect, guys. for BCH. I don't know how long they will make us wait, guys. Yeah, but if you understand the possibilities, then it's a lot easier to hold your crypto. Technical analysis just helps you to see what's coming, right? And what are the possibilities. But I went full mode BCH. Yeah, bro. UV Johan. What's happening, UV? Yeah, so I believe by, depending on how this arc lasts, guys, you know, you see what's coming after this, right? Huge cycle. You go up from here. Huge. This is usually one of the biggest cycles. Okay, this is the baseline for Bitcoin Cash, I believe. I don't have the full cycle, but I assume this is where it started, right? Like, what was the price here? $36 something where Bitcoin Cash started, right? So we always stayed on this line. You see, we like to come back and touch this line. This is where we are. We're touching this line right now. So here we may drop a little bit, you know, we may drag down. So I believe $400 $400 we can go to about $2,000, between $1,500 to $2,000, and then come back to you know, between $700 to $800, $400 right here in January, February, right? How quickly we get there, I don't know. But after that, we start a big leg up, right? We stick to this, right, arc. Every time, first we'll go aggressively up, and then go down, aggressively up, and then we go down here, and people will think, okay, it's over after $15,000. But you see this mother arc, this will catch that fall. This will catch that fall from here, and then we go up $25,000, and that will be the blow off top. And then we start coming down from there on. So touch this line somewhere in September, right? A 90% drop from there. Yeah, I would say we would come to $1,600, $2,000, not $1,000, maybe $1,500, right? Yeah, maximum. Okay, that's how I see your Bitcoin Cash, brother. Okay, let me know any cryptos that you're looking for. We will chart the hell out of them. Okay, but that's what my projection is for, and why I'm thinking this is going to happen. There is meaning to my madness, guys. Right, look at this. Yeah. Yep. Where is the altcoin market cap? I want to show you a little picture. People who have missed out on previous videos, this is not new. We have in previous videos mentioned how the market's going to go, right? If you look, the alt season video here, where is the alt season video? When alt season. This video is very important, guys. If you have missed out, I don't want to go through the same stuff again, but look on this video. It's very important, very crucial. You'll understand the timelines and what's happening and what I'm projecting. Okay. All right. So I don't want to make these videos too long, guys. So let me know real quickly. I'll chart a few coins for you, and then I'll bugger off. Okay. I need to go chart. If I chart properly, if I study, then I'm able to give all that information back to you. These are very critical days. Next 20-25 days, I'll be sleeping very little, 3 hours, 4 hours every day, and sometimes I'll look tired. So bear with me. I won't be always, in energy mode, because I'm trying to chart these things. Okay. Gee, you went full on BCH. That's good, brother. It's better as the sooner the cycle comes closer to the end. It's better to have crypto portfolio in few coins, because then you have to track which coin is going where, right? If everything is accumulated in 4 or 5 coins, then it's easier to get out of the market, right? But if you have, say, 15 coins, and one is popping at one time, another is popping at another time, you will miss out on big gains, right? So that's how I plan. Consolidate. Keep a target. How much money? For everyone, it's a different target. People who have a huge amount in crypto, right? So say if you have $1 million, if you 2x, 3x, it's $30 million. That's a lot of money. If you 5x, it's $5 million. And on the other hand, if somebody has $10,000, 5x for them is $50,000. Still a lot of money, but if they are willing to risk, their capital is only $10,000 and $50,000. They could be willing to take more risk and say, hey, this may 10x. But a person with a bigger chunk, if you have $100,000 or a bigger amount, right? And then you have 3x, 300, 400. Think how much will that money make a huge difference in your life? Can you pay off the mortgage? Right? Don't be too greedy, and do not care where the market goes after that. I have a certain time frame where and certain limits that where my portfolio would reach. Doesn't matter. After that, market goes 10 times more. I'm never selling my 30% of my crypto, so I do not care. But I have a certain target where I want to reach, and once that target is reached, I will be, a certain portion of my cryptos will be out, right? So, guys.
Dude, for treatment, travel.
Okay, Solana chart if you have time. Randir, Soul, brother. Okay, let me do Soul for you.
Nobody expects their child to get diagnosed with cancer.
Okay, let me get rid of this ad. Messing me up. Look at this. This is Dia. I'm keeping an eye on Dia. Dia is an oracle. Right, so let's forget about Dia. Solana. Man, Solana looks similar to Ethereum. Very similar to Ethereum. And looks scary. When something pumps this much, man, I would take some profits. So we could hit $300, guys. Solana, it's possible. We may hit $200 depending on how low we get here. Right? See, we've been sitting on this resistance line, and we may go down as low as $132. Right? But by mid of October, if we hold this arc, then there's a possibility we may hit $300, between $250 to $300. Solana. Yeah, that's another 80-90%. Again, I would be more bullish if something like what has happened didn't happen, you know. But this chart could change to this. You feeling me? Like that. This would be the first time this gets out of the arc. Right? We hit here, and then we start going down. Right? Something like Celsius. Celsius did exactly like this. Let me show you what Celsius did, okay? And you will get a gist of it. It did exactly like this. It was following the chart, and it seemed like it's gonna go up, but then this thing, once it comes down here, it's gonna get so boring. It's gonna be so boring. You will not see any money. You know, once Solana tops out here, after that, once it goes down, after that, it'll consolidate like this here in bullshit price, you know, for a long time. Long time. So let me show you why. I could be wrong, guys. This is what I expect. Let's do a new chart. This is Celsius network, right? See, more or less a similar path, right, to Solana, right? This consolidation period here, like this period is consolidation, right, and then start going up, right? So Solana is somewhere here, right? You may get that last push, and then it will consolidate like this. Look at this. This is how long it's been consolidating. So that's how I think it will be. Let's see. I could be wrong. Let's see Solana's Bitcoin pair. Yeah, very bullish, guys. Just looks like Ethereum to me. Right, this is the consolidation period, and then you start going up, and then you get boring. But till then, what is about Theta? OMG chart, please. Musab Mansuri, good morning. Your charting pattern is amazing, bro. I have been following Crypto Savvy, who is one of the bearish guys. You both seem to line up. Amazing, bro. Sure. Man, you know, day and night, man, I look at these charts. So I am a bull by nature, okay? For me to be bearish, you know, it has to be very significant. Then only I become bearish. I'm very bullish on crypto. It's life-changing. So many millionaires are going to be made by crypto. People who will have patience, right? And balls of steel. You know, you need balls of steel, you know, to be in crypto. And do not worry about the ups and downs, right? Those are the people who will make it, and they will make it big. Life-changing money, life-changing. So, yeah. Again, anything that you hear is not a financial advice, guys. Okay. there could be one more leg left for Solana. Right, and then we go down. But a bigger picture, so we could get this, something like this for Solana. We go like this in an up curve, right, and a down curve, and then start to go up, back again. Okay, that's how I expect. This two pumps are part of one, and then we go down, and then we go up. Okay, so Ryan Griffin, Bitcoin Cash. Ryan, I just did Bitcoin Cash just a few minutes ago, brother. You know, just rewind the video, and I did Bitcoin Cash right here. Look, we did Bitcoin Cash right here. You know, again, very bullish. Somewhere around May, June, July, we'll hit somewhere around 10,000, and then in around August, September, we may hit 22. This is 2022. Okay, Ryan. For short term, October, I expect between 1,500 to 2,200 Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, 1,500 to 2,200, depending on, yeah, not more than that. But yeah, with what's happening, you know, I go day by day, right? Crypto's charts leave a trail where they're going, right? So, you know, I could be wrong, but this is what I'm expecting, right? And it could go down. We could hit here. Let me expand this chart. This is the Bitcoin Cash. So, yeah, if we hit mid of October, we could be yeah, between maximum, you know, there will be a long wick that would go to 2,000 or 2,200. It would come out like this. You see these wicks? It would come out like this. You know, if it gets crazy, the wick would, you know, go past this, but it will be for a few minutes. It could hit like this line, this big resistance line that I doubt will happen, because this arc is strong, right? But that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so between, I would say 1,500 to 2,200 Bitcoin Cash, right? And then we go down somewhere around here, $1,000 to $700 by Jan-Feb, and then we start going up, and 3,000, then $10,000 somewhere in May, June, right? Go back to 7, and then go to 25 at the end. That's the blow off top for Bitcoin Cash, guys. Okay, I'll see you later tomorrow. Don't be scared. I am not scared, but I'm keeping a track. This market, something really bad, something really crazy is going to happen mid of October or November. Some sort of bad news, you know. Yeah, it could be regulations, it could be something else, but something really bad news is going to happen. And from there, you know, we'll see a big drop, right? I expect everything to drop, right? If you look at the market cap, total market cap, I have explained, guys. I don't want to go through that again, but watch this video, rewind it, and watch this video. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. I go live every single day. Okay, hit that like button, subscribe, send it to your friends. Okay, guys, I'm working hard. Make sure I feel appreciated sometimes. You know, when I see good comments, somebody writes a nice comment, you feel appreciated for all your work. All this information could be, you know, millions of dollars if I'm correct, right? You know, a person could make millions of dollars, right? So one like, push that button, spread that, you know, awareness to other people, right? Guys, I'll see you later. Ryan, I was thinking if you want to, we can do a podcast kind of thing. You know, I see you have a YouTube channel too, right? We can do a podcast together. You know, discuss crypto, discuss Bitcoin Cash. You give your perspective, I'll give my perspective, and we can do something, right? So send me a message on my Instagram, right? My Instagram is ShrayTV. Hit me up on that, and we can talk more, right? We can coordinate, I know, expand. It'll help your channel, my channel, and, you know, we can do more of these podcast kind of thing. You know, once I get my mic and all that set up, I want to set up my channel properly. I just bought a webcam. I'm going to get a DSLR, have a nice video and audio. So once that is done, let's do a podcast together. Okay. I'll see you later, brother. Take care. Yeah, Ryan, let's do it. And just text me on my Instagram. Send me a message on my Instagram, right, on ShrayTV, and we'll discuss the details. How soon I'm able to do my setup, we can do on that. We'll do a long, you know, in detail Bitcoin Cash podcast, right? So let's do it. All right, brother, see you later. You guys have a good night and sleep tight. Don't be worried. We all who are in crypto are going to be millionaires if you don't get panicked. Don't get panicked.